Hello guys, Zero Bro back with you another video. Today what we're gonna be talking about is this new functionality where you're able to actually comment on the whiteboards. Now why this actually might be great, because and yes, when you basically add stickers to the retrospective or on this whiteboard, yes, there is this overview of what went well, what didn't, if there are some ideas and some actions that need to be taken. But you actually want to see who actually added these comments. Now this is actually pretty good because we have this whiteboard right here in the Confluence. You can actually create it because now it's a native feature. So we have this simple retrospective. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to select this column right here where everything went good. I'm going to right click on it, and what I can actually do is I can add a comment. And when I'm adding a comment, I can say comment. And when I save this and when I exit, and as you can see right now the comment is appearing, and even my first name and last name actually appears here. So this is actually pretty good, and people can actually since I created this, I can edit it or I can delete it if I want. And also if I have some questions, ideas in here, I can actually try to mention someone. So for example, I'm going to mention, yeah, and I'm gonna say can we get more stickers, for example. I mean, it's not an idea, but you get the whole point. And when you actually click the comments right here, all of the comments are gonna be in here. And the great thing in here is when you actually click on one of these comments, it actually redirects you to the actual location of these comments, so you can actually know what for which column this comment is for. So this is actually pretty great in order to know where each comment is. So yeah, but of course that is the let's say the representation of the retrospective. Maybe you have some other things. Maybe you have like daily stand-ups that you actually want to record somewhere to have it basically on the whiteboards as well. So why not? Because you can also use daily stand-ups for you can use the whiteboards for their stand-ups as well. And also there could be comments there as well. And let's say everything went smoothly, but let's say one of the developers or someone else, it happens, someone forgot to actually ask a question. What they can actually do is or if they have some kind of blockers but they forgot, you never know how somebody's day was, so you cannot basically predict every situation. Maybe they just forgot, maybe they were focused on something else. And this is actually pretty neat because they can use this to comment. Yeah, that is everything for today. Don't forget, guys, of course, to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. See you guys in the next video. Bye bye.